Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. We'll do the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for all the time frame analysis. Please use these levels as a reference for entering and exiting on your trade. We'll also be sharing you the trend of the market. Please use this also for your trading. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action, we already know that the current price action is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, and I had already highlighted that the current price action is trading within this resistance and support level of the symmetric triangle pattern, and we might expect the breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Currently the price action is moving in a sideways, and the information we know from the past price action is whenever the price action makes a trend reversal, it forms a double top pattern, then a trend reversal happens. When we look at the current price action also, it had gone on a bullish trend, took resistance on this symmetric triangle pattern resistance level and made a trend reversal, then again retraced. Currently the price action is in a very nice bearish trend reversal. This resistance line from the symmetric triangle pattern had been acting as a very strong resistance in the past also. Currently I am expecting the price action to test this support line of the symmetric triangle pattern, because previously also we have noticed that price action has tested this support line, then a bullish trend reversal had happened. Only when the price action breaches this support line or the trend line, we can expect a further fall and test this next level of support, which is going to be around 1785. Once the price action breaches this support line, it will be a trend reversal because it is already breaking the symmetric triangle pattern we are highlighting now. And we already know that the neckline of the past price action was acting as a strong resistance for the current price action. The ranges were from 1870 to 1852. You can notice that the price action has taken exactly resistance at this level, and it is in a very nice retracement. It has also formed a double top pattern, so we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. And when we notice the current trend of the market, it was a very nice bullish trend, then retracement happened, tested the level of 1785, then went on a bullish trend and took resistance at the level of 1828, then retracement happened, took support on the level of 1812, then went on a bullish trend and formed a double top pattern. Currently it is on a retracement. So first level of support is going to be the previous support, which is going to be around 1812, and once it breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall. But overall, when we notice a price action, it is still trading within a bullish channel pattern. The current bullish trend is still maintained. So we can expect the first support to be at the support line of the bullish channel pattern. Only when it breaks this support line, you can expect the trend reversal and break on this symmetric triangle pattern support line. So as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, the bullish trend will continue. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. From the daily time frame, we already know that the current price action is trading within a bullish channel pattern. It has tested this resistance line, then went on a retracement, again retested on this resistance level of 1828 and bounced back and tested the support line of the bullish channel pattern, and continuously it was on a very nice bullish trend, and it tested the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, and it is in a very nice bearish trend. In the past also we know the price action makes a double top pattern before making a trend reversal. So currently also you can notice that it had made a very nice double top pattern, then only it went on a bearish trend reversal. Here also, if the price action takes support on this level, you can expect a double bottom to be made, then a trend reversal to happen. So wait for a pattern formation before you go on a bullish side trade or before going on a bearish side trade. So currently the price action in 4 hours time frame is also in a bearish trend. The next level of support is going to be at 1812. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. Values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame, and the values marked in yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels from the daily time frame. Currently the price action is in a bearish trend retracement to test this support line of the bullish channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the past price action, I had also highlighted that the price was trading within a bullish channel pattern and it gave breakout from this bullish channel pattern, then a trend reversal has happened. When we look at the past price action on the left hand side, we can notice that the price had consolidated within this resistance and support level for very long time, then the trend reversal has happened. So we can expect the current price action also do a similar price action. So we can expect the price action to consolidate within this support and resistance level of 1828 and 1812. And you can notice that there is a bullish channel pattern support line running over here. So only when the price action breaks this support line of the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Currently we have two levels of support. The first level is going to be the 1812 and next level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern support line. So I am expecting the current price action to consolidate or move on a sideways for now, because it has already made the 100% retracement from the previous bullish trend. This area will be acting as a very strong support and resistance for the hourly time frame price action. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values marked inside the blue color box are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame, and we have the higher time frame resistance level and the support level also over here. I am expecting the current price action to consolidate over here. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also, we can see that the price action has fallen on a bearish trend and there is no any pattern formation here. Due to the news, it has fallen very sharply. We can expect it to take support at this higher time frame support line and to consolidate or move on a sideways. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in white color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. We can expect the price action to trade within the support and resistance level from the higher time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, you can notice that the price action is very nicely trading within a bearish channel pattern. It has resistance level and the support level. Currently the price action is taking support at the level of 1812 and we can expect a little bit of consolidation and continue its bearish trend and test the support line of the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. Only when it breaks this support line, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair and start a bearish trend. Currently the price action is in a very nice bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in green color are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is finding difficulty to break this support level of 1816. So we can expect it to test the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern. Only when it breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to go on a bullish trend. Otherwise, we can expect a retracement and test this first level of support from the higher time frame. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.